to parties riddled with scars from our preteens, intertwined in a car's dirty backseat, stare at a driving screen. We didn't know that the sun was collapsing till the seas rose and the buildings came crashing. We cried, oh,